Hey, what's happening, guys? This is Damon from Vintage X Collectibles, and going into my second year of YouTubing, I would like to go ahead and unveil some new channel artwork. I decided to use my craftiness to build and design my own new channel logo, which will act as my profile picture, and I am working on some new cover art as well. So let's check that out. Okay, let's begin Arts and Crafts Day at Vintage X Collectibles, and this is what I'm working with. So, I run a toy collector's YouTube channel. Now, what would be a great representation of that? So the first thing that came to my mind was a classic wooden toy crate. At first I was going to build my own, but then I remembered, oh yeah, I keep seeing that crate I like at Walmart. And it was only 10 bucks, so I stopped by and picked one up. And of course I'm not going to spell out Vintage X Collectibles, but it looks really cool abbreviated in VXC. So that will be positioned just like so on the center of the toy crate. And then this will represent my channel cover art. And of course, before I take the picture, I'll fill it up with some toys, have some little action figures crawling out like they're leaping into battle. And here I have these two wooden discs. And what I plan to do here is take one of the extra big X's that I got and place that in the center. And then here we have these smaller wooden letters, and I would take a small V, put it here, and a small C, and put it here. And you know, your profile picture on YouTube is a circle, and we have here a perfect circle. So it'll fit right in as my profile picture and official channel logo. And now for the paint for our project. While I was there, I noticed Walmart had these glow-in-the-dark colors, and while at first that seemed kind of cool, it just wasn't what I was looking for. I wanted some more traditional colors. Plus the glow-in-the-dark paint, they all just came in these really bright neon colors, like, you know, trippy neon bright, like Mario ate the wrong mushrooms. So we have some more kid-friendly stuff here. Now for my little wooden disc here, I got this vanilla ice cream flavor, not flavor, paint, right. And for our letters, they will be in red, blue, and green. And more specifically, we have red apple. And here we have blue cotton and spring green. And, well, at first I was going to stay with the natural wood, but then I decided to go back and see these smaller ones are 50 cents. This bigger one I think was $2, and I just got a plain white to go over the outside of the toy chest. And I got a foam board at Walmart for only $1, so I don't get paint on the dining room table. And here is our crate. Now, I'm not going to paint all of it. I'm going to paint all four sides, and I think I will leave the inside alone, and I'm not going to bother painting the bottom either. Okay, so as y'all can see, I can speed paint like the Flash. Don't tell anyone. And here we have all four sides painted, and it looks pretty good. As for the quality of the paint, I wouldn't paint a house with it, but for a toy crate, sure. Alright, we have our toy crate painted, and it looks great. I even got into these posts here on the inside. I only added one coat of paint because I really like this lightly faded look to it. I think that gives it a nice rustic charm. I also love the look of going from the white on the outside to the natural wood color on the inside. Okay, and I stopped at Walmart today and I picked these up. And these will be nailed into the bottom of the toy crate. You see they have these smooth little plastic bottoms to it, and that'll prevent the toy crate from dragging and scratching any surface that it is put on. Okay, I'm going to try and be smart about this so I don't split my wood. So I'm going to position it where the nail is going into that column. And I don't think this little plastic tip can handle the direct force of the hammer. So we're just going to put this little rag over it. I'm just being very cautious of any splitting of the wood. I'm this deep into the project, you know, I hate to ruin it now. And there we go. All right. Well, we made it. I got all 4 in with absolutely no wood damage. And they look pretty good. Very, very smooth surface. All right, I believe I have the letters where I want them. I didn't really measure, I just kind of eyeballed it. You know, finger space here in between the staples, finger space here and here, and looks pretty good. Alright guys, I hope you made it to the end of this video, because now you get to see the finished product. And here we have my brand new channel logo. My channel logo will be the profile picture for my YouTube channel, as well as any associated social media accounts. And the reason I made 2 is so that when I build my toy review workstation, I can put one of my channel logos on the top back wall in each corner, so that they'll be visible during my future toy reviews. And now it's time to see that finished toy crate and everything that got to go in it. Are you ready? So here is my finished toy crate and all the cool collectibles in there. Wow, how about that? And here is a close-up view of just who all I picked out. And believe it or not, going through and picking out just who got to go in here was actually a longer process than my actual project at hand. And here is the widescreen photo that will be my final shot for my cover photo. Okay guys, I would love your feedback. If you think I did a good job on my new channel artwork, give me a big thumbs up. Also in the comment section, give me a score on a scale of 1 to 10 of just how well you think I did, as well as some feedback. Thanks again for watching, and as always, peace out.